You know how everyone always tells you that you are either a beach person or a mountain person? Well, guess what? I am a history person because I love traveling to places with rich history, art, and architecture. Nature is, of course, a given because who doesn't love nature, right? And Kerala has easily become my favorite because it has given me the whole package. And on that note, let's start this vlog from Fort Kochi. Hello everyone, welcome to my Kochi vlog. So we have reached Fort Kochi. We will be staying here for 2 nights and we are staying in this beautiful property of Brunton Boatyard. So it's a heritage property. It used to be a boatyard, now it has been converted to a hotel. It's very pretty, but let me give you a room tour first because our room is going to get messier with passing time. So yeah, let's do the room tour first. So that is our room number 308, and when we enter, okay, so yes, hello Momo.
Welcome to your room.
Yes, so there's this cabinet with a sanitizer on it, and then on this side we enter the room. It's very like old school heritage kind of feel to it. This is a nice bed, an almirah, our bag. It's a study, and that's the entire room. Now let me show you the best part of this room. The best part is this small balcony we have and this view we have. Wow, that's the Arabian Sea. It's the hotel swimming pool, which I'm going to use very soon. And that's the Fort Kochi jetty. Now let me take you to the washroom, which is very pretty as well. So when we enter, we have a bathing area. And we have a bathtub, and this view from the bathtub. So amazing. So guys, that was the room tour. I hope you liked it. Now I'm going to get freshened up and go out for a bit and explore Fort Kochi. As not all of you might know, but Fort Kochi has been listed as one of the must-visit cities by UNESCO in recent times. So I'm sure there's a lot of history associated with this place. So we are going to go and explore it a bit. And I will show you the property and give you a small property tour later when I go downstairs. But right now, since I've been traveling from Kumarakom since morning, I need to go change and freshen up. So I'll see you guys. Bye. Our hotel in Fort Kochi, the Brunton Boatyard Hotel, was a restored period building which sits well with its colonial era surroundings. It is a 5-star property whose interiors reflect an eclectic but tasteful blend of English, Portuguese and Dutch influences from a great mercantile age known for its pomp and glamour. What stood out for me though is how eco-friendly this place was. No plastic water bottles in the room, no plastic bottle toiletries. Everything was instead provided in reusable glass and ceramic wares. This hotel is a part of CGH Group, which stands for Clean Green Heritage Property. Hello, so right now we are ready to go downstairs and give our samples for our COVID test for RT-PCR before we go back. So it takes 24 hours and we will get the report before we fly out of Kochi. So Momo and me, we are all set. Momo?
Hi.
Let's go. So we are done with our COVID test now. It is so uncomfortable, this test, but you got to do what you got to do, right? So now we are going out to explore Fort Kochi a bit. Maybe go to a nice cafe, sit down for some time. So I will keep you posted. So right now we are in this cafe called Kashi Art Cafe. No, Kashi Art Cafe. It's quite pretty. We are here to have some lunch. Momo, how was your RT-PCR test?
I think this is the 4th or 5th time we have done this RT-PCR test, and every time it has been a very horrific experience.
Very uncomfortable, like most uncomfortable thing ever. Instagrammers. This is what? Cold coffee with coconut milk. This looks nice. Kasun kenoka? Tell us how it is.
So I am the guinea pig here.
Good.
It's nice. It's a typical black coffee,
With coconut milk.
coconut milk in it.
So we just came out of the Kashi Art Cafe and we had this amazing chicken roast with couscous, which was so nice. Highly recommended. Momo, did you like the food?
Lovely.
Yeah, lovely food. And this road is also so pretty. Like, let me show you. So we just came out of St. Francis Church. That's the church behind me. So it's a very old church in Fort Kochi. It's very hot out here. It's too hot. Yeah, what I was saying, that St. Francis's mortal remains were in this church before they were taken to the church in Goa. So it's a very pretty church, like typical Kerala style architecture, and it's very beautiful from the inside as well. So yeah. Okay, so now we are heading towards a place called Bastion Bungalow. I have not much idea of what exactly is inside, so let's go check it out. We just came out of the Bastion Bungalow and it's a museum now. Earlier it used to be a kind of fortification bungalow. So inside there is quite a bit of collection of the Cochin history of Kochi and Calicut. So, and this bungalow also has a very nice view of the Kochi beach. So let me show you. We just came back after exploring a little bit of Fort Kochi, and we got very tired because it's very hot out here. So now we are going to have an afternoon nap, I think, because we are so tired, and we are going on a boat tour, sunset boat tour at 5:30. So I will see you then. Bye. Hello again. After a small afternoon siesta, we are all ready now to go on our sunset boat ride. So let's see how it goes. I think it will be fun because the view is very nice. So let's take you along. So guys, that was all from our first day in Fort Kochi. The next part of this vlog will be out soon. So if you are new here, hello to you. I am Richa and I would love it if you subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends and also leave a comment. I will see you guys on my next vlog. Bye!